Hey, good morning guys, what's up? Mike here with another video. I'm actually down here in SoHo. It's pretty early in the morning, it's like 6:30, but I just filmed a sunrise walking tour in the SoHo neighborhood. SoHo is a cool neighborhood, but kind of like Times Square, it is just insanely crowded during the day. A common theme I've noticed in all these walking tours is that when you're out early in the morning, like 4 or 5, just before 6 a.m., it really feels like you have the entire city to yourself. I don't know, I can't describe it. It's such a unique feeling. I definitely recommend, if you're visiting the city, to definitely find some early hours in the day to go and do some exploring. It's definitely worth it. So to all my fellow Apple fans out there, yesterday was the 10th anniversary of the Apple Watch. Kind of crazy, right, that the Apple Watch has been out for 10 years. But to celebrate, Apple declared April 24th as Global Close Your Rings Day. And they're like these fitness rings you can close if you have an Apple Watch. And so if you closed your rings yesterday, you got this digital award. But if you went to the Apple store, you could also pick up this free pin, which of course I had to do. And look how cute it is. I am obsessed. I put it on my backpack and I don't know. It did feel kind of weird to go to the Apple store just to like ask for a free pin, but you know, it is what it is. Sounds good. Hi, Sydney.
Hi, guys. Back to the East Village.
We're back in the East Village.
Back here, gorgeous Friday morning. It's literally the perfect temperature.
It is.
And there's no wind, it's perfect.
You almost like don't even feel the weather.
No.
So we are going to, what's the place called?
Sunday morning.
Sunday morning. It's a cinnamon roll place that always has a long ass line, but we're going right as it opens, which may be too late, but we'll see if there's a line or not.
Hopefully we good. I'm excited.
So there is a line, but it's actually not that bad.
No, this is like the shortest line I've ever seen for this
Yeah.
spot on a Friday.
What flavor are you gonna get?
That's hard because we need to know how many we can get.
Isn't there like a 2 limit?
Might be a 2-person limit. So I really want to I think an original.
Yeah.
And I want the chocolate babka.
Oh, that's a good choice too.
So, things to think about. You want me to?
Let's see what we got.
Okay, I kind of forgot already which is what.
Okay, that's mine.
Gorgeous.
Look at those. So that's the pistachio, and that's the, what's it called? The classic?
Classic sugar glaze.
The classic sugar glaze. They look so good.
Okay.
What did you get?
I got also a sugar glaze as well, and the chocolate bob. Oh my God.
So I think I want to try the classic first, just to get a bite of the default, right? The regular one. Let's get that. So. That's super good.
It's a hit.
It's a hit, but I'm really excited for this pistachio one.
I mean, look at these.
Yeah. That one's really good.
Worth it.
I love pistachio. And that one's the chocolate.
This I already can tell is going to be
Chocolate
way too much for me to handle.
The chocolate one? Is it too rich? Super good.
Oh my God, Mike, you have to have some of this. I mean, these are like cakes.
Yeah.
You know, I mean, they're massive, and look how
I've already
fluffy.
eaten half. And you saw they make it like right in the back there. Like you literally see them baking it. So
Everything's made in-house.
made right in-house, super good. It's called Sunday Morning right here in the East Village.
Avenue B.
Avenue B.
Oh my God, there's a titmouse. What type of bird?
Okay, in your birding era.
To be fair, I only know this because I have to identify it on a game that I'm playing on my phone right now.
Oh my god.
That is the only reason why I know that. I'm a bird species, okay?
There's
really is.
dogs here. I didn't know there was a dog park here.
Oh my god, Tompkins Dog Park is like famous. This is where
really?
this is where they have the dog parade for Halloween.
I've never been to the dog parade.
I send it to you every year.
Oh. I don't go to anything,
look
guys.
At the little babies.
I love that. No people without dogs. That's
No
how it
people
should be.
without dogs.
That's how it should be.
Yeah.
I love this park. This is a nice park to have by you.
Right?
Sandra Turner Garden. Mm-hmm. Wow, are those tulips?
Yeah.
The
Gorgeous,
tulips are
huh?
so pretty lately in the city. Like, look at those colors.
Mm-hmm.
It's the perfect morning.
I mean, look. Oh.
So I am back at my apartment now. I left Sydney's shortly after I last checked in with you guys and came back uptown and immediately crashed for a nap. I think with waking up so early and just spending all day in the sun, it completely took me out. But yeah, just woke up, took a shower, feeling a little bit more refreshed, and now I am sitting here editing the walking tour that I shot this morning in SoHo. And I'm just kind of going through the footage now. Let me show you. The walking tours aren't super complicated to edit. I mostly just kind of go through and I'll do some color corrections and some audio adjustments if there's some loud moments. And if anything looks kind of wonky, I'll straighten it out and things like that. But other than that, I like to keep it as one continuous shot if possible and just have it feel like you're right here in SoHo. And if you're watching this vlog, that means the SoHo walking tour is already uploaded to YouTube. So if you want to check that out, I'll put a tag and a link in the description. But yeah, definitely watch it, check it out, let me know what you think. But finish watching this video first. We got Uber Eats. I love the al pastor tacos from this place because they come with these giant chunks of pineapple.
Oh, me gave us gummy chips.
They got chips. You got your soup. Well, I didn't order the chips. That's free. Mm-hmm. Nice. We got free chips.
And the tamale. Only one. That's wild.
Do you want attention? Do you want attention? Or you just want food? Or do you want to play? Or is it all of the above? Giving Elio some chicken. We have to put kibble in it, or else he won't eat kibble at all. So we have to kind of bury the chicken in it. You'll probably still pick out all the kibble and only eat the chicken. Is that right? Here you go. He's digging for that chicken. Oh, I'm so excited for this taco.
Oh, the soup is amazing.
The restaurant is called Oso in Harlem. It's really good. Oh, hi, baby. Hello. Alright, well I think that is it for this video. I did just finish watching the Dope Thief finale. It was pretty good. It was not what I was expecting at all. But yeah, now I need to find another show to watch. I am watching The Studio. The Studio is really good. Apple TV has been killing it lately with their series. But yeah, thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. Hope you guys enjoyed taking in the nice sunny weather. But yeah, if you're still watching this video, thank you so much. And if you liked it, please give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more New York City style videos like this, please go ahead and subscribe. I make videos like this every single week. But yeah, that's it for me now. Hope you guys have a good one, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.